Today, I'll show you how to work with charts in Google Forms. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a form, share it, collect responses, and then view and use the charts that Google Forms automatically creates for you. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and go to Google Forms. You can get there from your Google Drive or by searching for Google Forms directly. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want to create and store your form. Once you're on the main Google Forms page, look near the top for the template gallery. This is a collection of pre-made forms that Google provides, and it can save you a lot of time. Go ahead and click on Template Gallery to expand it. You'll see several categories like personal, work, and education, each with different templates. For this walkthrough, you're going to use one of those templates. In the gallery, find the template called Event Feedback. Click on that. Google Forms will open a new form based on this template, already set up with common feedback questions such as ratings and multiple choice responses. These types of questions are perfect for generating informative charts later on. Take a moment to glance through the questions. You can customize them if you like, but you don't have to for this tutorial. The key point is to have a form that people can respond to so that Google Forms has data to display in chart form. When you're ready to share the form, look in the upper right corner for the Send or Publish option. Click on it to bring up the sharing options. Here, you'll see different ways to distribute your form, such as email, a link, or embedding it on a website. For now, choose the option to copy the responder link. This is the URL that people will use to fill out your form. After you've copied the link, share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone you want feedback from. You can paste it into an email, a chat, or a social media post. The more responses you collect, the more meaningful your charts will be. So it's helpful to get a decent number of people to participate. Once people have started responding to your form, come back to Google Forms, open the same form if you've closed it. At the top of the screen, you'll see two main tabs for your content, questions and responses. To see the charts, click on the Responses tab. This is where the magic happens. Under Responses, Google Forms automatically summarizes all the answers it has received. For each question, you'll see a chart that matches the question type. Multiple choice questions might appear as pie charts or bar graphs, while linear scale questions will show distributions along the scale. You don't have to set up these charts manually. They're generated for you based on the incoming data. Scroll through the Responses tab to view each chart in turn. This gives you a quick visual overview of how people answered. It's especially useful for spotting trends, like which rating is most common or how opinions are distributed across options. If you want to use any of these charts outside of Google Forms, you can copy them. Hover over a chart and look for the option to copy chart. Click on that, and then you can paste the chart into a document, a presentation, or even an email. This makes it easy to share visual results in reports or slide decks without recreating anything manually. And that's it. You've gone from opening Google Forms to using a template to sharing your form, and finally to viewing and copying the charts that summarize your responses.